Hello.
Yeah, fish pan great Indian Bay. Oh. Yeah, we go to people out there and feel like this all day. So, welcome to Indian Bay. Yeah, people, so with the Indian Bay, we can go cook and build a vibes on the beach. Diamond and Gia done do over there already. So I'm going to set just now because it's in the evening. We're not going to walk down there. That's true. Sunset will look nice. Come in a corner, we might move, but we're in a corner for now. So we have Gia here. These troublesome people. Yeah, Diamond.
Hello.
Then people are roasting over there. Let me see if we could them are roasting over there, so roast chicken. Yeah, so that is the vibe today. Waiting on everybody else to come. Come on, it's just. Yeah, show you all the rice. I wash rice. Girl, can't wash rice. You'll show you all the rice I go on your line. There, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, put a pepper in the pot like a bouncing ball. Is it a bouncing ball? Yeah, see what it down in there. Hmm? Breakfast.
What?
Yeah, I drink all the people and coconut milk. All, use all under. Yeah, just some caldo down in there. So we have onion, garlic, pepper, and caldo to steam down first, and coconut milk. Yeah. Chef Diamond and Gia cook tonight. Yeah.
Not ready. That's fine.
Yeah, everything ship over there. Where you are? Oh wait, are you on G or on the free chicken? Bratton, you got a piece of chicken? You got a piece of roast chicken? Are you? That's good. Crayfish? No, fish, just regular fish. Can't remember the name, this fish of it.
That's at the talking on the street. Them have to prove it in front of me. You want him there? Yeah, me never there. You want him there? Yeah, me never there. You want him there? Yeah, me never there. My brethren, tell me. Your friend them is a where? One in there. Me and him never there. One in there. Me and him never there. One in there. Me and him never there. My brethren, Terry. Friend them square.
Yeah.
You know, say me not there with Jerry. I like them at him for me. I'm Terry. I mean, everything when everything Terry.
I got one like
Not Terry. But now tell a lie for myself. I believe make you see about yourself. See about me fear for me to figure them. I like my girl. I'm a must be my girl. You must be my girl. So you see him already. That simple means say you be him already. You're adding to the girl, but me love it just you. The door pulling up, you're the beef already. Then things you not know. Tell me how you know. You know so much phone, but the text in a show. You search out the phone, man. Where the text is.
Pumpkin, me should put this a pumpkin for me.
pumpkin and make it fast.
What mean pumpkin and I go fast now? And it's a supply and serve, look up.
Oh, but it goes thing, man. But I mean, I like red sauce. Then they all over my place.
One day I'm gonna put chicken in the people. Then I'll go to the
You do, feel like you put the
Hey,
pumpkin.
you're right. Come on apart there.
Imagine you want some rice? Ya está.
I'm a concept. Okay, this is food for the chicken people are there, not the fish people are there. The chicken people are there. I am mixed up, I will not eat a gapi by fire. I am going to fish go catch you. Let me see go catch God, fish are there.
Once they got people have been better fishing.
Ah, you wicked, ah, you wicked.
You want to chicken?
Baba suka.
Now we got it.
Nelly Surya man.
Yeah, fish grill time. Yeah, fish pan grill people, come on man. Up on the beach in the night, Indian Bay. I tell rice. Yeah, I tell no. What you mean long time before? That's the fun. You have the chomp on there? Recipe? You show me the pearl man. That's the fun. Come there man, come here soon. Oh, it's within here. Oh. Yeah, I tell rice and your grilled fish with pumpkin and vegetables. All kind of vegetables in it. Nice.